Hi everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. I am here with another DIY Christmas ornament. This one was even easier and cuter than the last one. We're gonna make one of these. Stay tuned. I love that all of the materials for this ornament are really easy to come by this time of year. So I have these non-breakable acrylic ornaments from the craft store. These come in big bins. Usually they're like $10 for 25 or 30. I ordered some of these Bottlebrush trees on Amazon, and then the rest I had in my craft room. So wooden beads, ribbon, glitter. I will include a full materials list in my blog post, so check the link in my profile. So the first thing you're gonna do is obviously take the cap off of the ornament, and then I found it was easier to remove this little wooden base from the tree, and if you twist it, it should come right off. You also could just clip it with wire clippers. So first I'm gonna get some hot glue, and I'm gonna glue the tree onto this little wooden bead. And obviously you need one that is big enough to fit through the mouth of the ornament. For the next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put hot glue to the bottom of the bead. I have these needle nose pliers, and then ideally you put it into the bottom of the ornament where you can stick it to the bottom. So I'm gonna put hot glue on the bottom. Obviously you need to work fast. You're gonna be careful that you don't touch the sides of the ornament with the hot glue. Now, notice that mine is tipping over. That's because I couldn't quite reach it. Look at that. I'm just using some white glitter that I had. A word of caution, the extra fine glitter, it does come out the top. So if you know that small children are gonna be playing with these ornaments, maybe stick with the chunkier glitter. And you could always hot glue the top in place if you're worried about the glitter spilling. But I'm gonna put a bow on top, and that is gonna be done.